thank you for stopping. You're looking at the first truck in the world that could drive all by itself in these difficult conditions. It uses laser sensors to see. Time to drive on. It's still a concept truck, but we are already testing it in real operation. This will truly change the mining industry and the whole society. It will make it more productive, more sustainable and safer. And it's just the beginning. All industries will be influenced in the future.
To our knowledge, this is actually the first time anyone is going underground with a fully autonomous solution. The Volvo Group's vision on automation is that we will bring increased productivity, we will reduce our environmental impact, and we will increase safety, approaching a zero vision of accidents. And with automation, we think that we can approach this vision in a very good way.
The goal for this research project is to build knowledge and experience with self-driving trucks. We build it in an underground mine together with Boliden. Our long-term goal is to leave the mine into construction sites above ground and then ultimately out on public road. We have built a system that are going to be easily adapted to other places than underground mines. We are building a technology platform more than a specific functionality solution.
We will install first one truck, and it will go in commercial operation, even though it's a research project, but it will do actual job in the mine. Safety and automation really goes hand in hand. I would even say that automation starts with safety. So our active safety systems are really those building blocks that we are currently developing and currently introducing that will be the foundation for the higher degrees of automation in a later stage.
We put laser scanners on each corner on the truck, which makes that all areas around the truck has overlapping sectors from several sensors. Wherever you stand, at least 2 or quite often 3 sensors will see you, which means that we can compare what several different sensors see and get a very robust and safe system. The normal mission for a truck is to go down to the loading area where the actual mining is done and then drive up to the crusher and unload there.
It's clear that we don't do technology for the sake of technology. We always look at the benefits it can provide to customers or to our drivers or to the society.